Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna make some garlic butter shrimp. Let me get started. The vegetables look delicious. Oh, and they are hot too. Let me take my camera away. Okay, here's the shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the package and clean them. Okay. All right, they say they peeled and devein and all of that, but I always find something to take off of them after I wash them, okay? So let me get started on that. I'm going to use 4 cloves of garlic. Let me go ahead and peel this and chop it up. I'm marinating this chicken for tomorrow. I'll probably use this in my salads. Usually during the summer, I eat a lot of salads. I love salads. I made some bacon for Bill. He loves bacon. And we went grocery shopping, and I'm in the middle of putting up everything right now. Still got stuff on the floor here. So let me get to that. Show you that. You see what I mean? I have to clean them anyway. So let me get started. Clean the shrimp. Oh, they were very dirty. So get them ready. So let me turn the eye on and get my butter in the pan, okay? This is what I'm using on the shrimp, okay? It's really a good spice. Okay. This is gonna go really fast because the skillet is really hot already. All right, let me get the shrimp. Okay, here's the shrimp and the garlic. Ooh. Oh, wow, it smells so good in here. It reminded me of when I had my restaurant. I used to make garlic fries. Oh, that's the way it smelled in here. Oh, that brought back a memory. Oh, wow. Smells awesome in here. Ooh, so yummy. Ooh. Wow. Add the seasoning on it. Just a little bit. This recipe is so easy, quick and easy. You really don't have to write it down. It's just that easy. Just remember to, wash your shrimp and clean your shrimp, because just because they said they are deveined, they are not always done right. So I like to do mine no matter what the package say. Oh, that is so yummy looking. Smells so good in here. Every time somebody order the garlic fries and somebody else walk in the restaurant, everybody wanted some. So I would be cooking garlic fries because the smell, you could just smell the garlic when you have the exhaust fan on in the kitchen, that big hood you have over your stove, and they could smell it like a mile away. Some people say, oh, I know you're making some garlic fries. I want some of them garlic fries. Please make me some. Yeah. And we used to have so many people coming in there. We would run out of ground beef, turkey meat. I mean, because a lot of those workers that worked in the area, they did construction work, and they were always hungry. They would come in there and they would order double cheeseburgers, double classic burgers, everything on the menu, you know. I mean, they would work me in the kitchen and me working in that kitchen. But it was fun while it lasted. It was really, really a great experience. So since I love to cook, I decided that I start a YouTube channel. Whether I get that many watch, views, whatever, I still love to cook. So whether you're watching me or not, that's okay. I'm fine. But I wish you would subscribe. I mean, 99% of people that watch me are not subscribed to my channel. And I don't know why. I'm giving away the recipes. You don't have to buy them. Okay, that's it. That's a wrap. The garlic shrimp is ready and it smells so delicious in here. Oh, you gotta make this a little simple. It's quick and simple recipe. Garlic butter shrimp. Really, if you like this recipe, like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's not going to cost you anything to subscribe. It's free. All right. Take care. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is my quick and easy dinner. Look at that. So simple. So easy. So easy. So healthy for you. Maybe not all the butter, but every once in a while, butter is good. Butter is good. I love butter when I was on the keto diet. Couldn't tell me anything. But I'm not on the keto diet anymore. All right. Oh, that looks wonderful. It smells wonderful. So let me get a picture of this.